You're welcome. In today's video, I'll be sharing with you the healthiest way to prepare your turkey and chicken. So feel free and enjoy this video with me. Let's start. First, I was able to cut out my turkey wings because it was not already cut when I bought it, so I have to cut it. Yeah, I wanted it this big. Yes, I wanted it this big, so I'll just go ahead and cut and cut and cut. If you're new to this channel, this is your first time of watching my video, you're welcome to Progressive Recipes. I cook, I bake, I decorate cakes, and I do different pastries I know you will love. I have more than 500 videos I know that will inspire you a lot, and I know you're going to learn from those videos. So feel free to explore my channel by checking out those videos and enjoy. If today is also your first time of joining, don't forget to click on the subscribe button, click on the notification bell, and also feel free to be a part of this channel. Subscription is free, just for you to get an alert. When I post new video, you will get an alert. So feel free to be a part by subscribing. And to my old subscribers, I love you so much. So don't forget to like this beautiful video. After cutting my turkey, I have to add lemon to it, to the water, and salt. So if you have only salt, no problem. If you have only lemon, no problem. So this is the way I wash my turkey, and the same I do to the chicken also. Yes, so feel free to wash yours maybe the way you want, no problem, but I think this is good. I love this particular way I'm washing it. It's very okay, so feel free to try. So many people complain a lot that turkey doesn't taste nice when they prepare in their house. To me, it's the way you prepare it. After watching today's video, you will have a different taste of your turkey from today henceforth. So just follow me carefully, and I promise you something must change the way you prepare your turkey. Wash severally if possible, just to make sure you get rid of any dirt. So for the saucing, I'm using my ginger, garlic, onion, and pepper. Yes, that's atarodo. So feel free to use any pepper of your choice, but I love this hot pepper. Enough one, the one that is so peppery, it will go. So add your onion, ginger, and garlic, and you blend everything together before you pour to your turkey. So immediately after blending, you pour into your turkey and to the chicken also. So this same sauce is also okay for chicken. Don't forget, we are preparing chicken and turkey. So I decided to do them separately though. So because I know the chicken will be ready on time before the turkey, so I decided to cook separately. So right now I'm spicing. These spices is all about what you have. So the main thing is they are all chicken spices. So I have my Kitchen Glory and Benny. When I was in Nigeria, I love adding Mivina, but I'm not having Mivina. This curry I'm adding, and I will also go in with my thyme. So any chicken spice you can get, feel free to explore, is okay. So I'm adding my Knorr cube to it, and I'll stir pretty well. Please, if you have kitchen gloves, please use it. My hand, I'm not as scared at all about pepper again. But I don't feel pepper in my hands again. So I just washed my hand. I'm using my hand to do this. So I added salt lastly. I will just mix everything well, and I will allow to rest for at least 1 to 2 hours. Please, it's important you do this. But if you're in a hex, at least 30 minutes, please, is important. But this is very important. But if you don't want to cook it today, you can still do this overnight and leave it in the fridge or freezer overnight. Yes, it's okay, so that by tomorrow it will taste so nice and sweeter. So the same I did to the chicken, and that is that. So like I said, feel free to keep in the freezer for 1 hour, 2 hours, or even more overnight if possible. So that is it. I'm going to cover the chicken because I decided to prepare the chicken and the turkey separately. So right now, you can see it's time to cook. So cooking the chicken, do the turkey first. So this time around, the turkey is ready. So the mistake I made here is that I didn't complete this particular video. So I decided to add another video to it where I still prepare the same turkey and chicken so that you understand the end product, how it looks like. So after cooking your turkey, you can cook very well or you can cook half done. Here I made sure that the turkey is ready, but here I prepared my turkey half done. Yes, I prepared the turkey half done. Yes, straight to the oven, just that way, and I'll allow it to grill. So you can choose to prepare very full. This is the chicken I'm grilling also. You can also choose to prepare half done, no problem. So this is the chicken, everything is set. I'll allow to grill. Yeah, I'll keep checking because the turkey, I notice it remove water and oil a lot when you're grilling it. So I need to be checking and be removing the excess oil and water coming out from the turkey. And even the chicken, if you check, you can see the water and the oil mixed up there. So I have to extract it, remove it before I take it back to the oven again to continue. So if you're new to my channel, you have not subscribed, what are you waiting for? Please join this lovely channel by subscribing. Please don't forget to like this video. If you have not liked it, like my video. This is the end product. Isn't this beautiful? This is lovely. Please feel free to try this and enjoy with your family. Thanks very much for watching. Bye.